Hello students and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about animals. As we all know, there are a lot of animals. These animals has different categories and these animals are used for different purposes. Some animals we use as a pet, that animals which are used for as a pet we say them domestic animal, and those animals that we cannot keep them in our house as a pet we call them wild animal. Now I have different category of animal. Now let's discuss either these animals are wild or these animals are domestic. Now first we have elephant. Do we have elephant in our house? Do we keep the elephant as a pet in our house? No. So this is a wild animal. Now next we have camel. First of all, camel we do not put as a pet animal in our house, but a camel is also used in household works. So, this is a domestic animal. Next, we have zebra. Is zebra a pet animal? No, this is not a pet animal. This is a wild animal as it is in the jungle. Next, we have a cow. Is cow a wild animal or domestic animal? Very good. Cow is a domestic animal. We keep the cow as a pet animal in our house. Next, we have a lion. A lion. Is lion a domestic animal or wild animal? Is this a pet animal? No, lion is a wild animal. Alright. Next we have a deer. Deer is not a domestic animal as we do not keep the deer in our house as a pet animal. So deer is also a wild animal. Alright. Next we have a donkey. A donkey. Even though donkey is not kept in our house as a pet animal, but donkey is useful for household work and is helpful for household work. So this is also a domestic animal. Donkey is also a domestic animal. Alright. Next we have cat. Next we have a cat. Sorry. Alright, tell me students, is cat a pet animal or wild animal? Very good. Cat is a domestic animal as we keep the cat in our house as a pet. Next we have a tiger. A tiger. Okay, tell me, is tiger a pet animal or wild animal? Very good. Tiger is a wild animal as we do not keep the tiger in our house as a pet, as we all know it is harmful. It is harmful animal. So it's a wild animal. Alright, last we have a goat. Last we have a goat. Now tell me students, is goat a domestic animal or wild animal? Very good. Goat is a domestic animal. It is a pet animal. We keep the goat in our house as a pet. So this is a domestic animal. Now look at these domestic and wild animals. In wild animals, we have deer, elephant, lion, zebra, tiger. These are all harmful animals. We cannot keep these animals in our house as a pet or for any other purposes. In domestic animals, we have cow, camel, cat, donkey, and last one is goat. These are our domestic animals. We can also keep these animals in our house as a pet, and moreover, these animals are also useful for household purposes. Thank you so much for watching this video.